There are boat engines that start needing a major overhaul after only a few thousand hours of operation. But there are also machines designed to run so reliably that they almost never seem to tire. If an average recreational boater only runs about a few dozen to 100 hours per year, an engine that reaches the 10,000-hour mark could last long enough to span multiple generations of users. What makes some engines capable of operating so durably while others quickly degrade? In this video, we will explore 7 engines famous for their incredible durability, starting from the 7th position and moving towards the engine at the top of the list. Top 7. Cummins QSB 6.7. When talking about engines that can operate reliably for an extremely long time, the Cummins QSB 6.7 is often mentioned as a major step forward in the generation of modern engines. This is the next evolutionary version of the famous B-Series engine line, but it has been upgraded with an electronic control system and advanced common rail fuel injection technology. Thanks to this system, fuel is no longer injected into the combustion chamber just once, but is divided into several small injections during each operating cycle. This helps the combustion process happen more smoothly, reducing pressure on moving parts and extending the life of the entire engine. Additionally, the electronic management system has the ability to monitor engine activity in real time, detecting issues early before they become serious failures. Many vessels operating continuously in heavy-duty environments have recorded very high operating hours with this type of engine. When properly maintained, the QSB 6.7 can operate stably for many consecutive years without needing major repairs, which makes it a reliable choice for those who need a powerful yet long-lasting engine. Top 6. Cummins 6BTA 5.9. If the QSB 6.7 represents the modern generation, the Cummins 6BTA 5.9 is an icon of durability in the classic style. This is an inline 6-cylinder, turbocharged diesel engine with a displacement of nearly 6 liters, widely known for its extremely simple and reliable mechanical structure. Unlike many newer engines that rely on complex electronic systems, the 6BTA uses a mechanical fuel injection system. This means there is no electronic control unit, no complex sensors, and almost no software that can fail. There is only metal, fuel, and mechanical parts that work reliably through thousands of operating hours. In many real-world cases, working vessels have recorded this engine reaching marks of 10,000 to 15,000 hours before needing its first major overhaul. After a top-end overhaul, it can continue to operate for many thousands more hours. Another major advantage of the 6BTA is the extremely large number produced, making replacement parts always available and repair costs relatively low. It is the simplicity in design, combined with incredible durability, that has led many mechanics to call this one of the engines that runs forever without tiring. Top 5. Mercury Pro XS 300 V8. The Mercury Pro XS 300 V8 represents a different design philosophy, but leads to the same result: long-term durability. This engine is built on a 4.6-liter V8 platform, a fairly large figure compared to many engines of the same power. Interestingly, it is this large displacement that helps the engine operate more easily under normal operating conditions. When an engine generates high power from a large displacement, each combustion cycle undergoes less stress compared to an engine that must force power out of a smaller engine block. That translates to lower temperatures, lower pressure, and significantly reduced wear over time. Additionally, the engine's central design helps reduce vibrations transmitted to the hull, limiting the fatigue of connecting components after thousands of hours of operation. Many professional users have found that this V8 platform is capable of operating stably over long periods while still maintaining high performance. Although it does not have as long a history as some other engines on the list, its basic technical factors show that this is a platform designed to last. Top 4. Yamaha F250. The Yamaha F250 is a clear example showing that an engine can achieve high durability through smart design and a balance between power and displacement. This engine uses a 4.2-liter V6 block, providing strong power but not needing to operate at maximum load in most operating situations. When an engine operates at a lower load compared to its maximum capacity, the internal components will experience less pressure, and the wear process occurs significantly slower. The DOHC architecture with 24 valves helps the intake and exhaust processes happen efficiently, reducing combustion chamber temperatures and improving overall durability. Many users have recorded thousands of operating hours on this engine without encountering serious incidents beyond routine maintenance. This makes the F250 a popular choice for those who want a powerful engine that is still durable enough for long-term use. Top 3. Yamaha F150. In the world of mid-range boat engines, the Yamaha F150 has almost become a standard. This is one of the most widely produced and used engines for many years, and time itself has proven its durability. Many fleets have operated these engines under continuous working conditions and recorded incredible operating hours. Some cases show these engines have run nearly 10,000 hours before being replaced, and it is noteworthy that the replacement was not due to engine failure, but simply because it was time to upgrade equipment. The design of the F150 focuses on stability and reliability, with gradual improvements over many years of production. This approach helps the engine become increasingly refined without facing risks from too sudden changes in design. As a result, the F150 has built a reputation as one of the most reliable engines ever installed on recreational and mid-size working vessels. Top 2. Suzuki DF140A. The Suzuki DF140A may not be the most prominent name in boat engine discussions, but those who have used it often speak very highly of its durability and efficiency. One of the special points of this engine is the lean burn technology, a system that adjusts the air-to-fuel ratio so the combustion mixture runs leaner during steady operating conditions. When the combustion mixture uses less fuel, the temperature in the combustion chamber drops, and the amount of carbon buildup also decreases. This is very significant for the lifespan of the pistons, rings, and many other critical components. In practice, many vessels operating in harsh environments have recorded this engine reaching 4,000 to 5,000 operating hours with very little technical intervention beyond regular oil changes and maintenance. It is the combination of good fuel efficiency and a wear-reducing design that has helped the DF140A become a much more durable choice than many people imagine. Top 1. Honda BF150. In the top spot is the Honda BF150, an engine often mentioned when talking about an engineering philosophy focused on long-term durability. Honda has built its reputation in the engine industry by applying very strict technical standards, and the BF150 is a clear example of that approach. This engine uses a technical platform with many similarities to the company's automotive engines, where fuel injection systems, valve control, and combustion efficiency have been refined over decades. One of the key technologies is the variable valve timing system, which allows the engine to optimize performance across various RPM ranges. As a result, the engine can generate good power when needed, but still reduce pressure on components when operating at cruising speeds. Many service vessel operators have reported that these engines can run for thousands of hours with only routine maintenance steps. It is the balance between performance, stability, and precise manufacturing engineering that has helped the BF150 become one of the most durable engines in its segment. Looking back at this entire list, we can recognize a clear common point among engines with incredible lifespans. They often have large displacement relative to the power produced, are built from durable materials, and have designs that prioritize long-term stability over extreme performance. When choosing a boat, many people often pay attention to the design or equipment, but it is the engine that is the heart that determines the lifespan of the entire vessel. If you find this information useful and want to explore more interesting topics about engineering and technology, Please subscribe to the channel and like the video so you don't miss any upcoming content.